What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina, if you don't know that. Today, I'm excited because today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I organized my pantry. Well, my cabinet, because I live in an apartment and I don't have a pantry, but it's lit. Let's do it. Okay guys, so welcome back. This is my kitchen. If you haven't seen it before, I've showed it in a few videos now. I know you guys want to see what's inside the cabinet, okay? Because that's where all the magic is. So if we open the cabinet behind me, you'll notice organization heaven. Organization, it feels so good. I'm not gonna lie, when I did this project 2 years ago, it was a little costly. Okay, so these air sealed containers, they can add up. Forget about it if you get it from the container store. You'll be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars. If we start from the bottom of the cabinet, you'll notice that I line all of my cabinets with non-slip material so that one, my cabinet stays clean, no crumbs, and two, so these lovely little things don't slide around, slip. Some of them are glass. The last thing I want them to do is slip off the shelf and break. So I got the tiered level tray from probably Marshall's, Home Goods, one of those places, okay? I don't really remember the price of everything because this was 2 years ago at this point. And everything on it, all of these little cute little jars, you can get them from IKEA for a pack of like 4 or 6, I don't remember, for like $4.99 or something like that. They're fairly cheap. All I do is dump out all of my seasonings and I label them. I'm a big labeler. So I've emptied out all of my seasonings and I've labeled all of the jars and I put them on this tiered tray so that I can see them. I can see all the ones in the back. These little jars I got from the Dollar Tree actually. Oh, shh. I bought these in bigger jars because I buy these seasonings in bulk. So this is like my seasoning salt, paprika, stuff like that. And then on the right side, I keep Italian seasoning, parsley, oregano, etc. Over here in the corner, I have these jars. These jars came from Dollar Tree as well. It was a hunt to find these, but I love them. I keep like breadcrumbs, cocoa, cornstarch, panko bread, crumbs, etc. So that's pretty much the bottom. Oh, powdered sugar for pancakes, waffles, whatever, ice cream. I don't know. Do you put powdered sugar on ice cream? I don't think you do. Yeah, this came from Dollar Tree as well. It's really cute. It's got a little sifter at the top, so I like to keep my powdered sugar in this. If we move up to the next shelf, you'll see these are where I keep all of my air-sealed containers. So, oh, and a couple of mason jars that I have like baking soda, cocoa powder, and stuff like that because I had no other place to put them. So I keep my powdered sugar, rice, pastas, brown sugar, grits. So most of these containers I got from Marshall's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx. It's a hunt for all of them. I bought them from Home Goods, Marshall's, TJ Maxx because they're much cheaper than getting them from the container store. You buy this from the container store, you're gonna pay like $10 to like $16 each. This one I think I was able to find, like I said, I can't remember the exact prices, but they start at like $3.99 and go to like $10.99 or $9.99, something like that. The bigger ones are obviously $9.99, and if you buy 10 big ones, that's $100. So you see how this adds up really quick. Inside all of my containers, I keep these little shovels. These I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's just easier to scoop things out. I try to put the shovels back in standing up, that way the handle that I touch doesn't contaminate all of the food. But yeah, you can put the lid on like this and you push it down and now it's air sealed. At the top, I keep my bare bulk items. So those are the ones that are like $9.99, $10.99. Those jars up there, lasagna, spaghetti, flour, sugar, those are the bigger bulk things up there. And to the left, those jars, those metal jars with the pine nuts and the coconut, those are also sealed, air sealed jars as well. I got them from Home Goods, one of the TJ Maxx brands. If you want some ideas on how to organize your cabinet, hopefully my cabinet gave you some inspiration. So I mentioned that I label everything in here, so everything you'll notice is labeled. So I know exactly what it is, even if I can't tell. Certain things like powdered sugar, I want to make sure it's not flour, so you make sure you want to label your things. I use the Dymo laser tag. You guys want to make sure you label everything. Pro tip, because I can't show you guys me actually doing this because I did it like 2 years ago, when you take everything out of your cabinet, make sure that you label the container first before you dump the substances inside of it. So if you empty out cornstarch and baking soda into similar containers and you haven't labeled them, you're gonna forget which one is which, and you're gonna have to do a lot of taste testing, which doesn't sound fun. It wasn't for me. If you guys enjoyed this kind of video, make sure to comment below and let me know if you want to see other things like my refrigerator. My refrigerator is Pinterest goals. But anyway, if you guys like this video, please give it a like. Oh my god, you don't understand how much that helps my channel. If you don't like it, YouTube says you don't like it, and then they won't share my video, and then I won't be shown to other people, which is not fun. And it hurts. If you feel so inclined to, subscribe to my channel as well, and let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see other organization things in my apartment, put it in the comments below. And that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace.